So the hollow body work for May that we're doing is 15 seconds a side, but you're doing 6 sets of it. So it's 16 kind of, 6 1 minute kind of turns. So you're doing 15 seconds in the hollow, then you're going to go 15 seconds on the side, 15 seconds face down, 15 seconds on the other side, and go straight back into it. You're going to try and hold a version that feels nice and stable. As you go through the sets, you're going to get more and more fatigue. So first 2 are probably going to be fairly easy, but I wouldn't go out too hard. Just keep it super easy. You shouldn't really be feeling fatigue in the first 2. And remember, on each of them, just doing the version that's really right for you. So you want to target the right fibers. So from here, you know, if that's the right version for you, and if you need to, you support the neck. Because that neck is being loaded, you want to keep the tongue on the roof of the mouth while you're doing it, breathing in and out through the nose. Then you turn to the side so you can make it a bit easier, like that. Have the straight legs, have the straight arm, really try and get as much of that quad off. Then you're going to go face down. You can make it much easier like that, or have the knees a bit apart and arch up. Otherwise, feet together, heels together, arms up tall. Don't grab the hands, make sure you're working through those traps. And then the last quarter. So it is pretty quick each round for a minute, but it's the accumulation of the rounds as they're going around. Plus, when you're working the front, you're also working the back and the sides a little bit, so they cross over. So there's that continual fatigue, especially because you're integrating front side, back side. So just be mindful to keep really good form, really maintain a nice breathing pace throughout. If you feel that you're straining or holding your breath, you're doing too hard a version, just bring it back a little bit. Control it. You're really trying to target those fibers that are deeper, and on each of those disc shapes really get strong on each side so that the spine's very healthy, and then that'll cross over into a more stable spine and more control in all your handstand work, and then obviously handstand goes into your acrobatic work. So if you're really keen to maintain that and be able to keep doing that for a longer period in your life and look after your spine, and these exercises, all the hollow body work, are great for it. Plus with all the other core exercises in the program are awesome for that. These ones are just more specific, and they, you can kind of really see the direct correlation in those dish positions and how that relates to a handstand, being able to control that shape, and then front back flip, cartwheels, what your core does in that, to go to the side and into a hollow position. So enjoy them, work hard, do it with good form, so you're really nurturing your body so it keeps getting stronger in a healthy way. See you next time.